Hey, what's up, folks? Here I am again. This time I have a middle class Denon single cassette deck. It's a long name: Precision Audio Component Stereo Cassette Tape Deck, DRM-500. It has two motor mechanism, dual power supply system, of course, Dolby B-C HxPro. Good old-fashioned mechanical counter, and of course LED display and a soft touch keyboard. Pause, record, mute, play, stop. This is rewind, fast forward, also using from music search option. And you have memory stop, Dolby B-C, Amp-X filter, and one more button, recording, return. On this side you can see input level. There is a bias, balance, and phones. It's just a single, cassette deck. Maybe I should clean it up a little bit before this recording, but hey, it is what it is. It's working fine. There is a music search option. If you press play and then fast forward, that will try to find the next track. What's interesting is this floor light. There is no light there, but because there is like a fluorescent background there, it looks like there is a light. So it's a basic deck, of course. Did you find the track or not? I didn't test this function at all. I tried to record something on it. It sounds fine, and there is not too much that you expect from this deck. Maybe durability sounds good, like nothing wrong with it. But it's just a basic Denon deck. Let's try to turn the flash off. Yeah, nothing special there. So it's just a basic Denon deck. I tried. It's just working fine. You can record stuff. Let's see. Yeah. Now it's recording, as you can see here. Record. It looks pretty much, nice. Like the cover is. There are not so many scratches on the top. I don't know what else I can do with this cassette tape deck. I just wanted to show the people, one more cassette deck for Cassette Deck Museum. It looks good. It's in decent condition. Everything is working fine. There is not so much to it. Basic options. It has bias, which you will use when you are recording like a normal cassette tape. Maybe you're gonna go a little bit left if they are like a cheap tape. If they are fine, you're gonna stick to the middle. If they're good chrome tape, maybe you're gonna, or metal tape, maybe you're gonna go a little bit on the right. Okay, but that you can experiment with that. How? Simple as this. Like, you're gonna reset your counter. You're gonna start with recording, all right, and then you're gonna record from 001 to 005, just like this. The knob will stay in the middle, right? So when 005 comes, you're gonna move it to the left a little bit, and then you're gonna record it like this till 010, let's say. Alright, and then at 010 you're gonna move it totally left here. See, it's totally on the left. And that's how you can experiment with your tapes, right? Then after you record everything, like let's say till 15, You're gonna stop it, rewind it, and then you're gonna play. And then you're gonna compare from 000 to 005 the sound, how it is, from 005 to 0010 how it is, and from 0010 to 0015, and then you're gonna, whatever works best for you, you're gonna leave it like that. If you're satisfied with this, leave it like that. That's the bias. So yeah, deck is looking just fine. It has everything you need for your basic needs. The next level would be like a LED, instead of LED display, it would be like LCD peak meter. The next level after that would be auto reverse. The next level after that would be 3 heads. So yeah, this is like a middle class deck, because the cheaper one wouldn't have soft touch. Cheaper one wouldn't have bias, only like a input level and balance. The cheaper one wouldn't have even a phone jack. So I don't want to mention HxPro. So yeah, I would give this deck a nice, you know, like it's looking good. It is an older model, you know, Japan. If we look at a frequency response in the manual, like for minus 20 dB metal tape, it's from 25 to 18 kilohertz, which means that it's not something that, not the best. Let's say this deck is not the best. Alright, but since now it's vintage, this deck is like a good basic model for anyone who wants to play or record on cassette tapes. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Drop a comment, like, dislike, and see you next time.